short film of Finger Puppet today on my lap. She's kind of going crazy here. And her mommy's in the background. See? Being watchful. And Finger, look at the camera. Hi, everybody.
Yes, it's so...
Hello. That's my mama and my grandmama on my lap. Okay, and we don't want to see Mommy this morning. We just want to see how... This is how spry and active she's becoming. Yeah, little Finger. There's our little Finger. And Mommy peeking around. Let's see if we can get a face shot of the two of them.
Here, Mutt. Come here, little Mutt. Come here. Hi. Hi.
Whoops. I have the camera